Hello everyone. First, I'd like to introduce to you the very first product created by Cosmic Patterns. That is the Kepler Superb Astrology software. Kepler's journey began in the era of MS-DOS, making it one of the earliest professional astrology software programs available. As personal computing evolved and Microsoft introduced the Windows operating system, we embraced the new technology and continued to innovate. And in 1993, we proudly released Kepler version 3 for Windows. It was an exciting milestone for both our teams and our customers. It was very, very exciting. Kepler became the first astrology software to display and print beautiful, full-color astrological glyphs, bringing charts to life like never before. As our user continued to grow, so did their ideas and requests. Astrologers, teachers, and students shared valuable feedback that inspires us to continue to improve the Kepler program. We expanded the software to meet the needs of both beginning students and professional astrologers. To this day, it is still like that. But it's a lot bigger now. One of the most requested features was built-in astrology instructions. Yeah, we listened to you guys. And in response, we created the Avalon Lessons. That is integrating educational content directly into the software so users could learn while they practiced. Isn't this awesome? And over the years, we added numerous chart types, calculation methods, forecasting techniques, astromapping system, and research tools, including the Vedic system. Each new version reflected our commitment to innovation and to supporting the evolving needs of the astrological community and the technological world itself. Today, we're proud to introduce the Kepler version 9, our most advanced release, along with many powerful new features. Version 9 includes a refreshed modern interface with redesigned menu icons, making the software more beautiful, intuitive, and enjoyable to use than ever before. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Today, we're proud to introduce the Kepler version 9, our most advanced release. Okay. From its beginning on MS-DOS to today's powerful Windows platform, Kepler has remained a trusted companion for astrologers around the world, including beginners and professional astrologers. And this is only the beginning of what's to come. Yeah, very exciting. Astrology is a vast subject to study. I went through it myself. It's really vast and it requires dedication, and learning it can be overwhelming when you don't have the right tools. But there's no need to worry. Kepler is here for you to guide you every step of the way. As a student, you can rest assured that you have the best and extremely accurate and trust a astrology software that will calculate your chart as you study it and as a professional astrologer. Yeah. Kepler is here to guide you every step of the way, so there's nothing to worry. Kepler is a software program you can trust to provide accurate astrological calculations. Yes, indeed. It's very exciting. It is designed for both students and professional astrologers. You can start learning the basics of an affordable price and continue using the same program as you advance to the professional level. There's no need to purchase additional software as you pursue your career as a professional astrologer. Kepler will continue to serve you as you build your practice teach others, conduct research, or work as a consultant. It's really cool. The 300 that you will be investing in Kepler or you already invested is more than the cost of the software. It is an investment in your education and professional future. It's a tool that that can serve you for a lifetime. And here is the Kepler program for you. This is the Kepler version 9. So you can see it is very, very beautiful. Yeah. It has an up-to-date atlas, beautiful new features, beautiful new icons in here. Okay, this one you can see it's not centered, but I can use this feature in here and click on fit to window area and it will fit it up. Okay, I will enlarge it a little bit in here and decrease the wheel a little bit. Click on here, click on fit to window area. Okay, so here we go. Here is our Sirius program. I'm sorry, the Kepler program. Okay, so this is really our very, very first product that we released in the market, and it came a long way. Now it is really beautiful. Yeah, you can see it for yourself right here. As you can see, I'll make this a little bit smaller in here. Okay, because it's covering with my zoom window in there so that you can see it all completely. And there it is. Okay, yeah, we can adjust this window. It's right here. Okay, all right. Okay, can adjust it there. Okay, we have we will put it at a landscape in here and right here, fit to windows area, and this is the landscape part. We were viewing a portrait version of it. Okay, so as you can see, it's really, really beautiful for students of astrology. I don't know if any one of you have already discovered this, and if you have not purchased the program and you're a student about to purchase it, this really cool feature in here. You click on any planet and it will give you the interpretation of each of the planets. Right? Yeah, yeah. The planet in zodiac sign, planet in houses, and planet with the aspects to other planets. Okay, all right. So there it is. So here are the menu items in here. So as you can see, it came a long way from the very old version to this new version 9. It's very, very exciting. Okay, as you can see, we still have these menu items here that are all in words. We kept this because of the DOS version that people will still really like. So we keep it there on these words. But I recommend you using all of these little icons in here that has more menu items when you click on it, because of the restrictions from Windows operating system. It no longer allow you to put so many drop down menu items within the word menu items, and there you can use the little icons to view them all. So this one is to create a new natal chart. Okay, this one is to create a progressed chart, and so many features that you can see. These are the progressed options that you can see, okay, that you can use. There's so many to choose from, and you can also create the current transit chart. Quick select for if you're doing horary. It's really, really quick, and you can change right now. It's in Gainesville, Florida. You can change this easily. And you click on this and click on change current transit chart place, and you just change it here and just highlight and change the name, yeah, of the place. Okay, so now this one is the progress chart button, and this one is the return buttons. You can do all of these returns in here, the returns, the converse, the diurnal charts and stuff like that. Okay, and you can do the relocated chart so easily. Yeah, so yeah, most of you who are new to astrology, you enter your chart data, but then you change the birthplace to the place that you want to relocate it to. That is not the right way. what you need to do is you just click on this relocated button and change the relocated place right here. Okay, so the next one in here is to create a composite chart. So there are different kinds of composite charts, that type of composite charts that you can use. We have the derived, the MC, the ascendant, the time, space, or division, or coalescent. All of these are explained within the help system. By the way, Kepler comes with a built-in manual. In this manual is actually not just a manual. It gives you explanation of what they are. So if you're a student and or you're a professional astrologer and you just want to refresh, and it is right here. It is explained in here. And then with the instructions at the bottom. So it's really, really cool. Okay, it's cool to have. Okay, so the next one is to create the harmonic or vibrational chart. You can create any harmonic chart or vibrational chart of any chart, like progress chart. You can create a harmonic of that, the return chart, and stuff like that, composite charts. Yeah, okay. The next one is, I've already shown you, is to do the zoom, fit on window and stuff like that. So this is a really cool feature as well. Okay, and this one in here is to save the file. Okay, to save the file, you can save it in, you can change the settings if you want. You can change it in TIFF format or PNG, GIF, JPEG, or PDF. PDF is the most common one now. So it's really, really good to have. Or copy to clipboard, and you can just copy it into your email, copy to clipboard and paste it to your email if you're sending a chart quickly. It's very easy. Okay, now for printing is also very easy. You can change the settings. If you do not have a printer connected to your computer, which is very common now, select the Microsoft Print to PDF driver. It is included within your Windows operating system, and you can save it. Okay, when you use that driver, you have a very, very nicely formatted PDF as a PDF file, as if it was printed on a printer itself. Okay, all right. Now you can also send email from Kepler directly, but you have to have a service that will allow you, that your gateway will allow you to send email from their internet connection. So you have to make sure you contact your internet provider first before you set this up, and make sure they will allow other programs to access it. But it's very easy to access in here for emailing. Okay, we will exit this. Okay, and here when you click on this one, you're going to do the pop-up wheel. Pop-up wheel is really, really awesome, especially when you are looking at the map. I will show that to you in a little bit. And then you just want to see the wheel. It's really easy to see. Okay, okay. And also the other way is to right click in here, and you can see all of these wheel styles in here. Many things that you can see. All right, different kinds of wheel styles that you can choose from. Yeah, so it's really, really beautiful and easy to use program where you can select any wheel style that you want so easily. The cool part that I like are the art wheels. Okay, we can right click in here, and we can click on spatial and click on art wheel. Comes with 30 of this to choose from, and my favorite one is this one for girls and for babies, and this one is for boys. So yeah, so it's really, really beautiful. Okay, and my default wheel style is IGC. Okay, so in here you can click on this icon, and this is where you can click bi-wheel, tri-wheel, quad wheel, or 2 wheels on the screen, up to 4 wheels, the compatibility patterns and stuff like this, and animated bi-wheel, tri-wheel, and quad wheel. Very, very easy to use. As you can see, we started with the portrait version of this. You can click on it for portrait and click on it for landscape. Okay, now this is the midpoint. You click on midpoint, select all the midpoint stuff in there. Okay, and also this is the ancient house systems, all the listings in here. This is for the listings. You can see, you can take your time to see all of these really cool features. And Kepler also comes with a lot of interpretations. Comes with cosmonatal, cosmocompatibility, cosmo forecast, major life themes. It comes with numerology. Yeah, comes with relocation interpretations. So many things. You can use it for your practice, to send it to your clients, or to sell it. Yeah, also comes with this numerology as well. It's in English, Spanish, Swedish, and Norwegian. Okay, now you can click on here. This is all types of forecasting that you can do. Yeah, very, very good. Now, this one is the astro map. You can do all kinds of maps in here. The most, you can also get explanation of the astro maps being interpreted, and the astro map in here. So many kinds of astro map, and the most popular one is the treasure map. Yeah, so there's so many things in here, and these are explained on my book, the Astro Locality Vibrational Map. It is an ebook, so it's very, very written, thoroughly beautiful book, colorful. Make sure you purchase it. It's very easy. You don't need to pay shipping. It's an ebook. Okay, and then you click on OK, and the map will be displayed on the screen in here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's put Julia Roberts in here. All right, so let's do the map again. Okay, do the map. Okay, astro map. We do treasure map, and then you click on OK. Okay, so the map is displayed, as you can see. Yeah, you have the map in here, and you see these lines. These lines vibrates into the shadow. That is how far the energy of this line goes, and that is what the shadow is. The darker the color, the influence is stronger. Okay, so you can click on the map and it will give you the interpretation, but let's close on that. Okay, all right, so let's go back to the wheel. In this part of here, this is like your shopping cart. This is where all of the selections that you created for the chart are displayed or collected together. Okay, we go back to the wheel. Okay, and then oh, by the way, let me go back to the map, and I'm going to show you the pop-up wheel. Okay, so we click on here, and then we click on pop-up wheel, or pop-up wheel in a separate program. Okay, I will show you that wheel. This one is better than the other one because you can move it to any part of your window so easily. Okay, all right, let's close that one, and let's go back to the chart. Okay, now you also have this synastry listings, which is the midpoints comparison, harmonic aspect comparison, aspect grid, compatibility scores, and compatibility text listing. Okay, all right, and also comes with the Vedic system. This is also part of the Kepler program. Kepler comes with two parts actually, the main system and the Kepler workshop, which is all about the Vedic system. Okay, and when you click on this, you can select the text ephemeris, asteroids ephemeris, graphic ephemeris, star catalog, and all that good stuff. Okay, and this one, when you click on this, these are the settings. When you click on it, you can change the settings to the zodiac sign, the house system. You can change the default house system that you want to use. Okay, and you can see the coordinate system and everything. Yeah. Oh, by the way, these little icons in here, we modernize it. There are 4 options that you can use. You click on settings, and you click on this here, and then click on select button set, and you select soft A, and this is the soft A. It's more like on a grayscale, but really, really soft, less color. And you click on settings again. You click on select button set and you select soft B. Right? This one is really totally pastel and really soft. You click on settings again, select button set, and you click on normal. And this is what we are shipping. And then click on settings, and then you select the contrast. Okay, so this is really beautiful. Okay, now this little clock in here, interactive chart adjust. When you click in here, you can adjust the chart. Yeah, for example, let's pull up the transit chart. Okay, for the transit chart, we can adjust this. So chart adjust, you can adjust the hours if you want to see the movement of the hours. Yeah, okay, yeah, that is the chart adjust. And you can also do with this one with, I'm sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. You can also do click on this small one and you do astro clock. Astro clock is you can watch the sky moving. Say for example, if you're doing following the stock market and watching the sky at the same time, you can run the astro clock. You can click on start animation and then say yes, okay, and then set time with your computer. And you can see you can put it backwards faster or forward faster or in real time, okay, or you can pause it if you want to see. Okay, now let's exit that. And there's also a lot of research features in here. You're gonna play with the research. So this is the research icon right here. Let me show you. Done. This is the research icon right here. Okay, we have all of these astro signatures, matchmaking compatibility, yeah, forecasting research, pairs, exploratory research, which I used a lot. I used this a lot in the astro signature. Okay, quantitative synodic cycle analysis and all that good stuff. Okay, so many things. Now, this also comes with a very advanced calculator, as you can see. There's the date today, or you can just use the calculator, and then you can convert the old style date to a new style date in here. So this is a very cool feature. Okay, yeah. So yeah, and then it comes with this too, the Horizons Light and the Searchlight. Yeah. So it's a very versatile program. Yeah. So and the Kepler program comes with these two features in here, the Matrix Horizons Light and the Matrix Search. Yeah. It's really beautiful. And this is the Horizons Light. This is the new feature. Okay, yeah, and then if you want to see the light, you click on here, my searchlight. Yep, there you go. Okay, it will come up eventually, and this is the searchlight right here. Yeah, okay, all right. I hope I've introduced you to our very first baby here at Cosmic Patterns. Thank you so much for watching.